Hi, welcome to 30-minute trade. Here, I recommend the stocks on daily and weekly basis, as well as I do the market analysis on daily basis. I choose the stocks based on the fundamentals and technicals, as well as the current market situation, market psychology. So I take all three components and I choose. Out of that, I developed so many strategies. From that, I think I select the best stocks and recommend to you. So I think it is benefit for you, and only you don't need to do a lot of research. So you just spend a couple of minutes to execute it, and you can benefit from that. Here are the some of the weekly best stock winners that I recommended last week. Last week, I think market is also very good, and we had a very good profit this week. Let's go and see what stocks that I recommended last week, and also see the market, how market is working. Okay, here in the Nasdaq is really very good in the last week. If you see last couple of days, it really went up. It didn't do any damage in the daily chart. And also if you go to the SPY also is in the uptrend so far. Is acting very good, and not much downside. If you see T20 M08 is basically stocks above 40 EMA for the last 1 week. So here you see couple of days up and down and up, and so overall the buyers are very good, and as compared to sellers. So that means we had I think most of the stocks are really performing well. So that's what it tells right now. So let's go to the what I recommended last week, how it is right now, and what is the whether it is a range, or whether it is a uh, it will go up in future also, something like that. Okay, here BTAI I recommended here. So in 1 week, I think it is a tremendous run, 70 almost 75%. Still it is trying to move up. If you see 5-minute chart, still it is going up. So it is a high beta stock and biotech. So I also entered in this stock last week, and is really um, uh, gave the very good profit on this one. APTO, I recommended here. It is still acting. Still, it is in the buy zone. Still, you can add some more positions if you don't add it last week. TNDM, TM also I recommended here. It is really performing well. Still, it is going. Even I had some position here this time. So really in the long side, it's just now is starting the breakout. It moved very huge in the coming weeks. See here, if you see here how much it ran from here to here, it's really awesome. 1860%. So let's see whether we can expect the same run or not here. ATRC ATRC also last few days is really went fine. It really awesome run. So be aware of that. I think don't enter right now because it needs some couple of days to consolidate here. Fate. I also recommended a couple of times earlier this week, and the last week also I recommended here at this time. Still, it is acting good. Still, it will go up in future. So far, long-term chart really awesome. I had some position in this one. RDVT is really Here I recommended, but yesterday I think it didn't. It got pulled back, but it is still chart looks okay. This time still it will go up in future. Okay, if you had taken the profit here, that's good. But you can still re-enter in this position. MDB, I had a couple of days here, and still it is good. The long term, still it will perform very well. Um, so yeah, it's good. I think VICR is also very good. You can re-enter if you have, because just now it broke out. In the future also, long term chart really awesome. Still it will try to go up. MRSN, this one also really I like it. Yeah, might be in the future also it is trying to go up. Let's see how it goes in this week. Okay, plan also very good. Still it is really going upward. If you see long-term chart is really good. It's a weekly chart is really very good. So any pullback I will re-enter again. APPF, this one also I recommended here, and here also recommended still form the range. Just now today it broke out, so we will see in the coming days. I think we can expect more uptrend. MBU, Malibu boats, recreation vehicles. So long-term chart really awesome. This week also we will get one more opportunity to enter. Let's see how it works tomorrow, so we can re-enter again. TTD, if you see long-term chart, good, but we need some kind of a consolidation. Once it works, if it comes to any consolidation, we can re-enter again. AUBN, still it's okay. It's still inform the range, but very few volume. I don't recommend this one because very less volume on this one. So don't enter again. Okay, AVLR is long-term chart is really good, but here short-term I think it's like um, the swing. It's like going up and down. So we'll see whether it will break. It will stabilize here or not in the coming days. So um, ever ever also is good. Still it is forming the range. It didn't act very well last week, but it's trying to from the range, so we'll see whether it will give any opportunity to re-enter. F40A, here I recommended. It needs more time to go up, might be this week it will give one more entry. SGRY, this time I will take a pause on this one. We will see. We'll see in the coming days how it develops the chart. Right now, the chart is like I really don't like it. ASND also little pullback, so we need it is expected some more range, so we can enter again. Let's see how it goes in the coming days. PRBP I really pulled back very well. I think it's giving. I think this week it's trying to go up. We will see in the long-term chart. It's good. We will get an opportunity to enter again this week. YST is forming the consolidation at this time. So if it supports this range, we can get one more opportunity. This recently went to IPO, so this biotech. So be aware of that. GXX. See, I think the chart really didn't like. I didn't like this one at this time. So we need some more days to get some range, and we'll. Right now it is a little bit damaged. This one also is got damaged, so it's better not to buy at all at this time. This biotech, I don't think the long-term chart is really faded at this time. So DCPH also, so long-term chart really went down. I didn't like this chart at all right now, so I don't. If you have any positions, it's on risk. So every time I tell. Just don't take more than 5%, so 5% loss, so you will get benefit, like like this kind of stocks. I think you will get a lot of benefit. So if you enter in any of these stocks, you will really benefit. So cut short, and if winning stocks work fine, then you can stay long, so that you will get more benefit. So last week I really enjoyed by mentioning this one, because it really acted very well. BTAI really worked very well. So last week, and market is also very good. So so this is what I think. So let's see how this week works. I will also recommend in another video. So this is my stockly review on weekly basis. So if some of the stocks really you can re-enter this week. So just to follow, go through it, whatever I recommended. So I will also recommend the same stocks in the coming daily videos. Okay. Yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe it, and also click the like button, and also don't forget to click the bell button. Okay. See you. Happy trading. Thank you. Thanks for watching.